Hello viewers, today's Christmas video is going to be on this spiral tree. There is two things I wanted to show about this tree. One of the items I was able to get a regular video of with the camera, the other I did not have time to do. So for the other topic I am going to narrate over this photograph and this calculator. So this is another pre-lit item that I've had good success with over the years. Had this for probably 3 or 4 years now, and I've never had the bulbs go out, or like the whole segment go out. I've had a few bulbs burn out, but that's normal. It's worked otherwise every year, and I imagine it worked just fine for the previous owner as well, because it was in a working state when I got it. Now, this year I had two problems with it. One was the bulbs were getting stuck in the sockets, and that's going to be the second half of this video, recorded with the camera. But this segment I want to talk about the bulb voltage, because I don't understand this. These trees have about 250 lights on them, but as with most of these strings of mini lights, the strings are broken up into segments of 50. So if you take one bulb out, you get 49 other bulbs that go out with it. And so, if my understanding of the theory is correct, we have about 120 volts from the line voltage going into the tree, into each segment, and we're going to divide the 120 volts by 50 because that's the number of bulbs in the segment, and that gives me 2.4. A standard bulb voltage is 2.5. So as far as I understand it, the tree should take 2.5 volt bulbs, but it doesn't. It takes 3.5 volt bulbs. If you put a 2.5 volt bulb in there, it's too dim. If you put a 3.5 volt bulb in there, it's the bright brightness. Now, if we do 3.5 times 50, we get 175, which is nowhere near the voltage that's going into the tree. So I have no idea why it's like that. I have a few other pieces that are like this as well, where the standard calculation doesn't work and it takes some anomalous size. It makes no sense to me, but every now and again a case like this will show up. So now we're going to cut to the other segment of the video, which shows the bulbs being stuck in the sockets. Another issue I'm having with the spiral tree is the bulbs are getting stuck in the holder, which is very annoying, and no reasonable amount of force will get that out. So what I've done here is I've soaked the base in hot water. I don't know if that's really making any difference or not. And I have a set of pliers here, because you can't just grasp the bulb because it'll break. So I have a set of pliers which allows the bulb to pass through here, but it will grab on the plastic surface and prevent that from going through. Then I'm going to take a tack and I'm going to insert it into the hole where the wire comes out. And I'm going to push that through, and that will give me enough leverage to get the bulb out, and then I can put the replacement 3.5 volt bulb in. And this bulb is going to fit in here just fine. It's not tight or anything, it's a perfectly normal fit. Half of them come out okay, half of them are getting stuck. I'm not sure what's making the difference.